Today we are going to learn how to model a hexagonal M30 nut in Onshape. So first of all, log into your Onshape account and then create a new document from here. You can name it as M30 nut. Click OK. So the first thing we have to do is that to ensure the units are in mm, the default units are in inches. So click on the document menu, come to the workspace units, change the units to millimeter, mass to gram, and then click OK. Now let us start sketching. Select the top plane. So first we have to draw the hexagon. So there are two options to draw a polygon: inscribed polygon and circumscribed polygon. You can draw in any ways. So first click on the center point and then click somewhere outside. Then it will ask for number of sides. Click left button once more. Okay, now we need to dimension this. So click on the dimension, click on the circle, place the dimension line. So for an M30 we need to draw a circle of 60 mm dia. So change it to 60. The drawing will be updated. And then there is a central hole in the nut. So to draw that, again take a circle. So its dimension should be 30. Okay, now we are ready to extrude the section. So you can just rename it. Actually this renaming is not required here since we have only two sketches in this experiment. But if you need to draw more than many sketches, it's better to rename it. So on the left side pipeline browser it will be shown in the different names. Now we are going to extrude this section. So here click on the extrude. The shortkeys for each keys will be shown when it is kept on it, Shift T. So we need to extrude a solid. So first select the sketch. Now it has already extruded it. So make it symmetric. So from the central plane, half will be above and half will be below. We know that the height required is diameter d itself. So change it to 30. Now you can click OK. Now we have to create a sketch to produce the chamfering on the top and bottom surfaces. For that we need to again draw a sketch on the front plane. We need to use these edges of both these lines, so you can just click here and use this line, this edge, and of course this edge. Now let us draw a center line to this one. So by just moving the mouse point here, you will get the midpoint of this line. Hit escape. Then we need to draw a 30-degree line from this point. So click on this point and keep it somewhere here. Press enter or hit escape. Then dimension this angle. Make it 30 degree. Now we have got a point here. Now from this intersection point you need to draw an arc here. So you can draw it in many ways. You can just simply click on the circle and hover the mouse to this intersection point and just keep the circle here. Now you can trim off the excess lines using the trim. Now you can just complete the profile. The next thing is that we don't want these two lines here, so you can make it as construction lines. So now we have got this. So let us go back out of the sketch and check it. So we have drawn this. The edges which we used have been automatically changed to construction lines. You can see this here. So let us suppress this M30 nut for time being. So this is our sketch. Now we are going to extrude these two faces. So for that, use the revolve command here. Now it will ask for, we are changing it to solid. Now let us take the profiles here, this one and this one. Now it is asking for the revolve axis. So for the revolve axis, unsuppress the nut drawing and take the center portion. Now you can see the difference. It has already added the shape to the existing one. So we don't want to add, we want to remove it. So click on the remove. Now it will remove material as per our profile we have drawn. Click OK. See, so this is how we have to do the chamfer. Now we need to chamfer on the bottom line also. So the best thing is to modify the sketch and extrude them together or revolve them together. So take the sketch one again, edit sketch. So at any point you can come back to the sketch and edit them. For better visibility, I am suppressing this M30 extrudes. So select all the entities which we want to mirror to the bottom portion. So this is our central line. So we are going to use the mirror command. So here it is mirror. Click on it. Now it is asking for select a mirror line. So this is our mirror line. So see, the entities which are required have been mirrored. Now click OK. Now this won't be reflected now because we have only asked to revolve the upper section. So again we have to edit the revolve command and select the lower sketch also. So for the better visibility, again we need to suppress this, and now to remove we have to select these additional profiles now. Okay, now there are faces of sketch 1 4 times. So this is 1 2 3 and 4, and the count is shown near the cursor also. Revolve axis is the same one. So now let us click on OK. So to see that we have to unsuppress it. Now check it. So the chamfering has been done on both the upper and lower surfaces. It will be automatically saved. If you want to save it in a particular folder and all, you can do it. Actually I have saved it in a separate folder. So if you close the document, you will come back to your documents workspace. So I have created a folder experiment number 1, and within that there are currently no one. So let us move our drawing to the experiment number 1. So click on the M30. So here it will give an option move to experiment number 1, move here. So it's better to arrange our works as per our requirement. Otherwise, after drawing so many or modeling so many things, you will get confused where and how to retrieve them. So now we have created our M30 nut, and now let us move on to M30 bolt.